How to fix Wolters-Peason error in Modern Warfare 2 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. Step 1 is check Activision online services. Sometimes server outage might cause this error code. So first of all, check if online services for the game are up and running. Go to the video description and click on the Activision online services link. You will reach here. Make sure that all the platforms are online. If any are offline, wait for some time and then play the game. The next step is change DNS IP addresses. Press Windows and R keys on the keyboard. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Find the active and running connection and right click on it. Select properties. Click on Internet Protocol 4, TCP IPv4. Select properties. On this window, check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter Google DNS server address 8888. For alternate DNS server, enter 8844. Click on OK. Close. Restart your computer and check if the Wolters-Peason error is fixed. If the issue still persists, disable Teredo. Click on search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Select run as administrator. Click on yes. Go to the video description. Copy the command. Paste into the command prompt. And press enter. Okay. This is disabled now. Close the command prompt. Close the other running tasks. And restart your computer. Check if the error in the game is fixed. If still the issue persists, restart the network using some commands. Click on search, type cmd, select run as administrator, click on yes. All these commands are available in the video description. Run them one by one. In the end, restart your computer and check if the error no longer appears. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.